Meaning of dignify.
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 Dignify. To dignify something means to give it a sense of importance or respect. When we dignify a person, object, or action, we elevate it to a higher level of worthiness and honor. This can be done through various means such as language, behavior, or symbolic gestures. The result of dignifying something is that it is perceived as valuable, admirable, and deserving of admiration and recognition. By dignifying people and things, we acknowledge their inherent worth and contribute to a culture of respect and reverence.